Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the high frame rate function on the Clash Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings section. Tap to the more settings button, and here you can find the third option, the high frame rate. And if you want to turn on, just click to the off button and new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.